everybody! Today I'm going to make blueberry cheesecake. It's quite simple. Just follow along. Simmer 400 grams blueberries, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1/4 cup icing sugar in your saucepan. Once you achieve this look, set aside to cool. Chop 450 grams of Biscoff biscuit to crumb. Now add 120 grams of melted butter. Pour into an 8-inch baking tin and compact. Create an upstand around the edge if you wish. Chill for at least 10 minutes. Mix 397 grams of condensed milk with 540 grams of cream cheese. Add the juice of 2 large lemons. Continue mixing until it thickens. Pour in half of your cream mixture and make a well for the blueberries. Add your blueberries into the well, saving some for later. Seal the sides with your cream mixture. Now cover with the rest of your cream. Cover base with foil to catch any leakage. Bake at 180 C for 45 minutes and then leave inside the oven for 1 hour. Do not open the oven. Set aside to cool. Pipe the remaining blueberries around the edge as garnish. Chill overnight. Remove baking tin and lining. So there we go. That's how I make blueberry cheesecake. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel, love, like, and share.